Do you want to know how to get more views and subscribers? If yes, then you came to the right video. Now I will get you through a few steps to get you up the charts. The first trick is the hook. The hook is basically making your audience stay. For example, the videos that Mr. Beast makes, he hooks you by making you stay. You can do this by saying stuff like, at the end of the video, I will voice reveal or something like that. The second trick is tags. You can set tags into your video by uploading a video, then pressing the 3 dots. Then click Show More and then press Tags. What are tags, you might ask? Well, tags are keywords that you can give to the algorithm to help it push the video to the right audience. The third trick is the description. The description is actually a very important feature, helping the algorithm show the video to the right audience. It must be at least 100 characters long or else it won't work. The fourth trick is popular sounds. This only works for shorts, though. You can find a popular sound by watching a random shorts video, then pausing the video. There should appear some icons in the top of your screen. Swipe left to see the icon named Trending. Just click on that and voila! There you have all the popular sounds. The fifth and final trick is to make your audience interact with your videos. Since then, the algorithm thinks that your video is good. And the best part is that it doesn't matter what they do with it. That's all, folks. Subscribe for more content like this.